Here we go again, Quansheng UV-K5, brand new radio gets HF upgrade with version 5 of the mode PCB. It's supposed to be the best. I have installed version 1, 2 and 2.5, videos are on my channel. This version 5 will have separate antenna connector and bunch of other improvements. Make sure to subscribe so that I can afford more of these radios, as these mods are popping up like mushrooms after rain. Guys, if you ever need printed circuit boards, even 3D print your design for affordable prices, visit PCBWay.com. Link is in description below. They ship worldwide and have outstanding customer support. You can access or even be part of their community projects and benefit from work of others or from your own designs. Once again, PCBWay link is in description below. Make sure to give them a go, you won't regret it. I'll be also using my new soldering iron from Kaiweets. It is USB-C powered and labeled smart. Product links are in description below. Let me show you the version 5 of the mode kit. Only 3 main parts. Flexi version 5 PCB with new components. This SMA connector, open-end RF wire with IPX connector, and this is extra chip to extend channel memory to 999 instead of 200 channels. I'll not use it in this video as it is not related to HF mode. Stay tuned for 999 channel mode video. So let's desolder speaker wires and also flashlight LED. I will try to desolder it with LCD in place. This extra space will be accommodated by SMA connector. Right here, only problem is that the hole is smaller than the connector. Connector has 6.1mm diameter and hole only 5.4mm. So I drilled it with 6.5mm drill bit. Please subscribe and leave a comment. And connector fits in. Also, I have cut off terminals from SMA connector as there is no space inside of the radio. Even without them, is display ribbon uncomfortably close to the connector. I soldered open end of RF wire like so and installed new connector into the enlarged LED hole. All product links are in description below. Make sure to use washer and tighten it fairly well. Here we go. Best way to run RF wire is on left side of the display. Time for PCB. Version 5 requires only removal of this 8-legged chip. Nothing else will be removed or changed, unlike in previous modes. So, best way to remove this chip is to cut off all 8 legs one by one, like so. Then desolder remaining pieces of legs and clean the pads. I used double-sided tape to secure new PCB. It is not necessary, but it might help. Important thing is to line up 8 terminals here. Done. Ground pads will be soldered to the ground, and let's start with 8 terminals. Oh yeah, new soldering iron is way better. I just have to get thinner soldering wire. Next, large ground pad has to be connected to the ground and small ground pad as well. This also acts as extra support for IPX connector. Lastly, jump second terminal with bottom terminal of this white component, like so. And also this gold pad of new PCB with left terminal of this tiny black component right below the pad. This part is trickiest one, as those components are tiny. But if I can do it, you can do it as well. That's all, just look at it. Quick recap. We soldered 8 terminals here, couple of grounds here and here. Jumped here and also here. All done. Let's assemble this sucker. First solder on the speaker wires. Then gently pop on the little RF connector. Don't forget this plastic frame. Oh, and rotate new RF connector so the wire is not in the way of anything. Slide it in and press together radio. Make sure to test every single button, as the last thing you want is to have a stinky one. Oh, sticky one I mean. Pop in knob and antenna. Also chuck in battery and fire it up. Looks like it works. Well, let's install new firmware that will work with new mods. Go to source of CEC firmware and download .bin file of CEC051HF firmware. Then, easiest is to use Egzumer online flasher tool. Just browse downloaded file and hit flash firmware. Also connect to the right device, aka radio. Radio has to be in flash mode and few seconds later you should have fresh CEC firmware installed. Fire up the radio. Here we go, CEC051HF, and hold 0 to access HF menu. Let me attach my DIY shitty HF antenna. Guys, I really need HF antennas, I'm not even joking. I was able to catch some voices, but nothing clear. Here, I can hear a French guy talking, maybe he's saying something about dinner and frog, I don't know. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.